will do parametric functions. See, sometimes the relation between two variables is neither explicit nor implicit, but some link of the third variable with each of the two variables. Now what does this mean? See, we have in the previous exercise we have done two types of functions, explicit or implicit. Explicit functions were what? Like suppose there is an equation y is equal to x plus 1. That means y can be expressed completely in terms of x. And there is another equation, suppose xy is equal to sine x plus y. So in this equation we cannot express y completely in terms of x. Therefore this will be an implicit equation. So this is an implicit function, this is an explicit function. But now what are parametric functions? If x is a function which is written in terms of t, similarly y is also a function which is written in terms of t. That means there are three variables. X is expressed in terms of t, y is also expressed in terms of t. So this t is called as the parameter, and these two equations are called as parametric equations. So now suppose we have an equation that x is equal to a cos t and y is equal to b sin t, and what we have to find? We have to find dy by dx. So there will be three steps involved. The first step, since x is expressed in terms of t, therefore we will find out dx by dt. Y is also expressed in terms of t, so we will find dy by dt. Now what we have to find? We have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx can be written as dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt. Now we will start with the exercise. Now exercise 5.6. I will start with question number 3. In the question we have to find dy by dx when x is equal to sin t and y is equal to cos 2t. Now given y is equal to cos 2t. So what is our first step? We will find out dy by dt because this y is expressed in terms of t. We all know the derivative of cos t is sin t. So here we will apply chain rule. So it says cos 2t ka derivative is minus sin 2t, and then we will find the derivative of 2t. So what is the derivative of 2t? That is 2. Similarly, when x is equal to sin t, so dx by dt will be equal to cos t. So this is our equation 1. This is our equation 2. So we have to find out dy by dx. So we will divide equation number 1 by equation number 2. And we get minus 2 sin 2t upon cos t. Now minus 2. What is the formula for sin 2 theta? Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So it will be minus 2 into 2 sin t cos t upon cos t. Cos t and cos t gets cancelled and we get minus 4 sin t.